Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. German. A one lesson one. Introduce yourself in German. Imagine walking into a room in Germany. Everyone is speaking German. You hear laughter, conversations, introductions, and suddenly someone turns to you and asks, "Wie heißt du?" What do you say? Do you freeze? Do you smile awkwardly, or do you confidently introduce yourself in German? Today, in just 15 minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to do that. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself naturally, ask someone else their name, say where you're from, and even hold your very first mini conversation in German. Let's begin. Section 1. Saying your name. First things first. Your name. In German, to ask someone's name, we say, "Wie heißt du?" Let's break that down slowly. Wie means how. Heißt means is called. Du means you. Informal. So literally, how are you called? But in natural English, what is your name? Now, repeat after me, slowly. Wie heißt du? Good. Now let's answer that question. To say, my name is, we say, ich heiße. Repeat, ich heiße. Now add your name. Ich heiße Anna. Ich heiße Mark. Ich heiße Maria. Take a moment and say it out loud with your own name. Great. You've just introduced yourself in German. Section 2. Formal versus informal. Now, German has two ways to say you. Du. Informal. Sie. Formal. If you're speaking to a stranger, a teacher, or someone older, you should say, "Wie heißen Sie?" Notice the change. Repeat slowly. Wie heißen Sie? And to answer formally, ich heiße, same as before. Simple, right? Just remember, du equals informal, Sie equals formal. Section 3, saying where you're from. Now let's go one step further. Let's say where you're from. In German we say, ich komme aus. Repeat, ich komme aus. This means I come from. Now add your country. Ich komme aus den Philippinen. Ich komme aus den USA. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Take a moment and say your own version. It's work. Section 4. Asking others. Now let's turn it around. Let's ask someone else to ask, where are you from? We say, woher kommst du? Repeat slowly. Woher kommst du formal? Woher kommen Sie? Repeat, woher kommen Sie? Now you can ask and answer. That's a conversation. Section 5. Full mini introduction. Let's combine everything. Listen first. Ich heiße Anna. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Now you repeat. Again, slowly. Ich heiße. Ich komme aus. Perfect. Section 6. Adding age. Optional beginner. If you want to go a little further, you can say your age. In German, ich bin Jahre alt. Repeat, ich bin Jahre alt. Example, ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Take your turn. Section 7. Real conversation practice. Now, let's simulate a real conversation. Listen carefully first. A. Wie heißt du? B. Ich heiße Maria. A. Woher kommst du? B. Ich komme aus den Philippinen. Now, your turn. I'll be person A. You answer as person B. Ready? Wie heißt du? Woher kommst du? Sehr gut. Very good. Section 8. Slow reinforcement. Let's slow it down. One more time. Key phrases. Wie heißt du? Ich heiße. Woher kommst du? Ich komme aus. Repeat each one slowly. Pause after each line. Excellent. Even if your pronunciation isn't perfect, that's okay. German learners often worry too much about perfection, but communication is what matters. And right now, you can already introduce yourself. That's a huge step. So next time someone asks you, wie heißt du? You won't freeze, you won't hesitate. You'll smile and answer with confidence. Ich heiße, and just like that, you've started speaking German. See you in lesson 2. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.